Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I'm your host Harry. So today news is India peeps US to rank second in the list of most attractive manufacturing hub globally. China is number one. Of course, China is number one. India has overtaken the United States to become second most sought after manufacturing destination globally because manufacturing in India is cheap for foreign companies because of government policies. India taken the second spot after China as the most sought after manufacturing destination globally. Cushman and Wakefield said in statement. The US is third position followed by Canada, Czech Republic, Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, Poland, etc.